Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Your problem is to bridge the gap which exists between where you are now and the goal you intend to reach. Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you'll be doing when you've reached your goal. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. You might as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or idea. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Everything begins with an idea. You'll find boredom where there is an absence of a good idea. You are at this moment standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. Work never killed anyone. It's worry that does the damage. And the worry would disappear if we just settle down and do the work. Do each day all that can be done that day. You don't need to overwork or to rush blindly into your work trying to do the greatest possible number of things in the shortest possible time. There is a time when one must decide either to risk everything to fulfill one's dream or sit for the rest of one's life in the backyard. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea buried deep in our subconscious will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. We will receive not what we idly wish for, but what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. Get into a line that you will find to be a deep personal interest, something you really enjoy spending 12 to 15 hours a day working at and the rest of the time thinking about. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. What's going on in the inside shows on the outside. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. You can measure opportunity with the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. They go together. The big thing is that you know what you want. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. You are now, and you do become what you think about. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it is conformity. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. A good deal of frustration and unhappiness could be avoided if people would just do what they know they should do. Don't concern yourself with the money. Be of service. Build, work, dream, create. Do this, and you'll find there is no limit to the prosperity and abundance that will come to you. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you are working for somebody else. Thanks for listening and watching. Share this video with someone you care about. Help us inspire 1 million people to get past their give-up point and win with these quotes and stories of inspiration. Click the like and subscribe buttons. Also click the bell icon so you are notified of new content. Consider becoming a Patreon. Your donation monthly can help us inspire millions of people around the world. Link is below in the description. Now, here are a few more videos that will definitely inspire you to win.